Acheron Tech orchestrates your digital media and content supply chains. With AI-driven automation and analytics, enterprises today struggle with workflow inefficiencies and manual bottlenecks that sap productivity and slow innovation. Our end-to-end services and solutions cuts review cycles by 40% and eliminates 60% of content bottlenecks, delivering real ROI. We unify high-performance BPM automation, real-time monitoring, and seamless enterprise system integrations under one roof. Our digital media supply chain services automate approvals, alerts, and data flows end-to-end, scaling with your business. From document and asset management to compliance workflows and lifecycle orchestration, our content supply chain solutions keep you ahead. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, our tailored engagement model adapts to your unique needs. Ready to transform your workflows? Visit acheron-tech.com today.